Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're checking out yet another 230 Sunliner offered by Harris. This boat is white in color. Comes with a Mercury 115 horsepower engine. Alright, this layout is considered to be our single lounger layout. As you can see here in the back, we have an L-shaped lounger with a flip back seat rest. So you can nicely sit on the back there while you're underway or while you're at the sandbar, or you can lounge on the inside here. Going to the front, we have two loungers in the front. All three loungers have a flip down armrest to add some comfort. They also have recessed cup holders. Nice spot to put your drinks without having them fly all over the place or be completely in your way. And here at the helm, we have a high back captain chair. It has an adjustable seat base, so it goes up and down, as well as swivels and goes back and forth. Comes with a Fusion head unit, as well as Fusion speakers. You got your depth finder, your fuel gauge, miles per hour, RPM, and your trim gauge here at the helm. Again, this is Dan Pergett with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out what we have today.